Wide, stainless steel head scoops large servings of ice cream. Durable construction designed for both hard and creamy ice cream. Soft, comfortable, non-slip handle for a secure grip that won't get cold. Perfect for packing pints of ice cream. Dishwasher safe. Scoop even the hardest ice cream with the durable OXO Good Grips Ice Cream Spade. It has a wide, stainless steel head that's perfect for scooping large servings and packing pints. The soft, comfortable handle won't get cold, and it stays non-slip, even when wet. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. OXO, great quality at a great price. Great for digging out rock-hard ice cream. I got tired of lesser quality instruments snapping while digging out my ice cream, or the chrome plating peeling off after a short time, or using the regular serving spoon only to wind up bending it. I've bought many OXO products and I trust their quality. So far I haven't been let down by them. My last scoop was from a more famous brand and the handle snapped off only after a year of casual use. This is a high-quality ice cream spade. This could be good enough for a retail ice cream shop. It's that good of a quality item in being a spade versus a scoop. It will be easier to get the ice cream off the spade. Ever use a scoop only to have the ice cream ball become hard to remove out of the scoop? Sure you have, it's happened to all of us, but you won't have this issue if you use a spade. It has a nice heft to it and has a great price too. I can find no cons to this product. Keep calm and get your ice cream on. Lol.